So good morning engineering buddies. So last problem tayo for solution of right and oblique triangle. So let's start solving this problem. An observer wishes to determine the height of a tower. He takes sights at the top of tower A and B, which are 50 feet apart at the same elevation on a direct line with the tower. What is the height of the tower given that the vertical angle at point A is 30 degrees and that point B is 40 degrees? Okay, so let's analyze and draw the figure. Let's say we have given a line of sight here. Let's and then there's a tower here. So let's say this is a tower. Okay. Just imagine it as a tower, not a mountain, guys. Then there's 2 points here. Let's say there's a point A and then there's a point B. So there's two points na dun siya kumuha ng site ng tower. So, which is 50 feet apart. So, distance AB is 50 feet. Okay, the vertical angle point A and B is 40 degrees. So, let's draw again a line. Let's fill it with, let's say green. So, and then the vertical angle point is 30 degrees. So, this is the 30 degrees. Here's the 30 degrees. And this one is 40 degrees. What is the height of the tower? So, we are asked to find the height of this tower. So, let's letter H. Then, let's say this distance is from point B to the tower is X. Okay. So, let's solve the problem. So, tangent of 50 degrees is equal to opposite side is H all over adjacent, which is 30 plus X. Okay. So, from here, we can find the H as or in terms of X na lang. Pwede naman natin gawin in terms of X na lang. Okay, mamaya na tayo mag-let. And then, tangent of 40 degrees is equal to opposite side, which is all over adjacent, which is the X. So, mali pala ako dito. Ito ay 30 degrees. Yan. As you can see, meron tayong two unknowns. Tangent of 30, yan. Kung pwede natin gawin, dito pa lang kumuha tayo na X is equal to H all over tangent 40. And then we can substitute it here. So tangent 30 degrees, 30 plus the x is h all over tangent 40 is equal to h. So dyan pa lang, pwede na tayo mag-shift solve, makakuha tayo ng value ng h. So let's use our calculator here. Tangent of 30, pwede natin siyang iganyan. Tama ba? Tangent of 30 ba? 30. 30 degrees, 50 feet apart. I think may mali tayong value. Dito ay 50. 50 plus x. Okay? So, ito ay 50. Yan. So, let's continue to write in the calculator. X all over tangent of 40. No. Oh, no. Wait, 50 plus alpha x all over tangent 40 is equal to x. So, 92.542. 92.542 feet. Yan ang sagot natin. And I believe it is letter D. Lumabas pala ito noong MA April 1997, no? So, yeah. That's how you solve the problem. First things first again, if you encounter this kind of problems, first things first is draw a diagram. After you analyze the problem, draw the diagram so that you can point out that this is the angle of elevation, this is the angle of depression, the distance between 2 points, etc. Then after you have the diagram, you can apply now the simple trigonometric functions, the SOHCAHTOA, and then if it is oblique triangle, you can apply the sine law and the cosine law. So this is how you just solve the problem. Huh? So to end the trigonometry, we just have two example here. One is from spherical triangle, and the other one is miscellaneous problem in trigonometry about terrestrial sphere. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that updated tayo sa mga future ko pang engineering tutorials. So happy watching, let's keep learning, and padayon engineers!